Hi, this is Stephen Enns with Hand and Sew Leather. Just here to give you a day in my life. Hand and Sew is a leather supply shop based in New Westminster, BC, just outside of Vancouver. We sell all sorts of stuff for crafting, making bags, wallets, and that sort of thing out of leather. I started this shop about 5 years ago after being in the leather crafting community for about a decade. This was kind of a fun outlet for me to do lots of sourcing and bring all the things that I love together in one space. We carry all sorts of tools from Japan, throughout North America, as well as glues and hardwares from all over the world. We also make products that we sell in store to show off these materials. My day starts with me at my desk printing out the previous day's orders. I like to sign each order. Just gives that little handmade touch and shows you that the owner is actually the one who helped with your order. Here I am picking through some of the items that the person ordered, including leather scraps, pigskins, some thread, and just rolling it all up all together. I include this nice little water buffalo sample within this order just to give the customer something that they might like to play around with and an object that they could possibly use in the future. I take a lot of pride in how I overpackage a lot of my stuff, making sure that even if your box is left on a watery porch, the ends won't get wet, your leather will stay nice and dry and arrive to you safely. Thanks, Deborah. We also have a full in-store offering, so we have lots of customers that pop in to grab a little bit of this and that for their projects that they're working on. These are some leather panels. We do a nice little mystery pack of panels, 5 square feet. It's kind of a fun way for people to play around with a lot of different leathers without having to buy very large pieces. Our scrap bin is one of our largest selling items in store. It's very affordably priced, fun to play around and dig in, and here I am filling it from our oodles of scraps in the basement. Helping out customers with any of their questions is a big part of my day. So figuring out how to attach certain pieces of hardware, how to kind of design the bag to meet exactly what they're looking for. It's a fun challenge, something new and different every day. And a lot of these customers we deal with quite often, they're regulars, been in many times throughout the years, so we build a really good repertoire. A lot of my day is spent organizing, cleaning up the shop, and just making sure that folks coming in store have a really nice, organized store that they can go through. Our offcuts are a really popular item. It's all of the leftover leather bits from productions, both ours as well as other productions locally, and it offers folks a opportunity to get a slightly larger piece of leather than a single square foot or a scrap without having to necessarily commit to an entire hide. Here I am trying to get some hardware orders or hardware organization through, but interrupted by phone calls. This particular hardware is Hasihato snaps from Japan, one of my favorites. So I go through and tag each of our bags. These are all our 100 packs of snaps, so I go through and make sure that the sticker has the correct information on it. It's got a trademark sticker directly from Hasihato, the price tag, as well as a yellow sticker indicating that it is solid brass. I then weigh out all of the pieces with my handy little scale here to get 101 just in case in each package. And whilst I was doing that, I had another customer here that needed some help figuring out how to go about hand stitching this particular piece. And now we're back to packaging up the last final bits of these snaps. Some days I'll go through and be packaging a few thousand pieces of hardware just to organize it all on the wall. And with all those things, the day's done. Pack up for another day. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the store or your online order.